another one. And you put it. You want to put it there? Yeah, that's okay. They'll be there to eat it. See, they're already talking about getting some birds. About getting some food. Okay. Sloan, let's put some over here too.
Yeah. How many do you have? Do you have 2? There you go. Good idea. Look at the tricky place she put them, Papa.
Where'd you? Oh, that's even better. Put them, yeah, put them in there. Oh, that's great. Let's put it right there, like that. Now, you can spread this too. Just spread it around. Pick some up and just throw it out. Throw it out like this, like that. You want to do some more? And we'll put a little up here and throw some more down there. Yeah, and let's go. Let's move it over. And you want to throw some more? Whoa, boy! Whoa! Oh, the birds are gonna like this. They're gonna go, I know I got fed by a special person today. Yeah. This is vigorous dispersal here. This is great, Sloan. Now let's put, okay, you want to just go ahead and dump it? All right. Okay, Doug, turn it over. Yeah. Turn it, you want to turn it over? All right. So now shall we go in and watch the birds come and eat?
Let's go in and see. Let's go in and by the window. Okay, was that fun? Say, Papa, thank you.
We did it. We did it. We did it.